affect us. So throughout these few weeks, I have been pondering upon that, and that was my mindset all along. And I'm very thankful to God that I have received this great, this monumental, this result of such magnitude. And I'm thankful to everyone, my teachers, and my school that has given me everything, and my parents. That's all I would like to say.
Can you tell us timing to study?
Well, my timing to study, to be honest, at the starting of the year, when the result was out, our teachers were hoping a lot from our past seniors, and to see that they did not make it, it was very disappointing. And our teachers, they spoke to us in a very heartfelt manner, and that really hit me. And I was like, I'll do this for my dear teachers and for my dear school that has given me everything. I will surely give them a moment to celebrate. I was thinking that all along. But in the middle of the year, I was also thinking that this is class 10, my last year in school, so I should enjoy well with my friends. And in that moment, I was not that much up with my studies. I surely gave time to it, but I was not that serious. But when it really hit me was during the selection. I studied very hard, and in the last few days of December and throughout January, I really gave it my all. I thought that class 10 will only come once in a lifetime. So after I get my results, if I don't feel fulfilled by it, then what can I do? Because this moment is only coming for one chance in a lifetime. So I really gave it my all throughout January and the last December. I would like to say to everyone that you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to doubt yourself. You can achieve anything and everything. You just have to give it your whole heart. And me myself, I gave it my all during the last few months. But of course, I had a vast knowledge of the topics. I just gave it my heart and soul during the last month.
Okay, in a day, how many hours you spend
Studying? Well, I would like to say to everyone that don't think of me as a topper or even as a nerd. I'm just like everyone. I just try to enjoy my life. I try to live my life to the fullest, and I try to excel. I try to live everything that I do. So everything has a time. So you have to study when you have to study, and you have to enjoy when you have to enjoy. My study schedule, it was not fixed. I'm not that kind of person. I just give it all when I have to. That's all.
So do you think that social media and gaming, does it affect studies and everything for the students? Is it a distraction?
How do you manage it?
For the most half also, it was that was catching up to me. But yes, I do. I also use social media and I also play games. But when the class 10 session started, I really love playing football, and I also love playing mobile games. So, but I really thought that if I have to achieve something, I also have to sacrifice, because if I don't sacrifice anything, how can I expect something good? So I really gave up on playing football the whole year, and I also deleted all my games. But to keep in touch with all my friends and also to keep in touch with life, I use social media. But at the last few months, I just deleted everything.
So can you tell us when you study?
Yes, I would like to say that for examination, first what you have to do is know your books throughout. You have to study your books, because through the books everything will come. If not everything, almost 80%. So you have to have a vast knowledge of the topics from the books. You have to know your books through and through. Your books have to be a good friend of yours. First, you have to finish your books, and you have to practice your writing. Then if we have a doubt somewhere, then we can look it up in social media. Everything is available. We can clear our doubts from there, and we have our teachers also. But I would like to say that self-study and proper guidance from valuable teachers, and knowing yourself, discovering studies through yourself, through your books, self-study. I think that is the key. Well, to be honest, CM Impact Guidebook, I didn't even study much from there. I relied wholly on my books and my qualified teachers and all the examinations in the school that were held. They all helped me hone up my skills, and they helped me in knowing what I lacked. So I studied the books throughout, and the same guidebook also, it helped. For pass marks, you can study, but if you aim for good results, you should always see your textbooks. The MCQs, I took knowledge from the CM Impact, and I just went through the question and answers that were in the CM Impact, but I think 20% it helped me. My favorite subject, to be honest, I don't like any subject, but I really like literature. I like English. I like, because literature, even in Nepali and even in English, the stories, they are not just plain lines. They speak to the soul. They teach us how to be human. Because you see, words that we have in our heart, we cannot say. Sometimes we cannot say. We cannot express it from our words. But when we write it, we can express it thoroughly. So I think I like literature, and I think every subject is good.
Next plan, are you planning to pursue science or arts?
Yes, that question has been eating me up lately, because I've been thinking about many things, but I can't really pinpoint what I want to do, because to be honest, to me, everything feels, most of the things feel narrow. It feels like a rat race to me. So I hope that, what I really hope is that I can find my purpose in life, and I can give my everything to it. Yes, my name is Wangaal Lama.